Triangle. In triangle, we are having three vertices A, B, C and three angles, angle BAC, angle ACB and angle CBA, and three sides AB, BC and AC. A polygon enclosed by three straight line segments is triangle. It is a polygon which is enclosed by three line segments. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. We will have different types of triangles. We will discuss them. Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square and height of equilateral triangle is root 3 A by 2. Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. AB is AC and these two sides are denoted by small a. Suppose the base is denoted by B. Area of isosceles triangle is B by 4 into under root 4A square minus B square. And height of isosceles triangle is 1 by 2 into under root 4A square minus B square. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, all sides are unequal. So AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC. Right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. What is the area of a right angle triangle? Is half into base into height, BC into AB. Heron's formula. We will use Heron's formula for any triangle. So it is A, B, C, three sides are given. S is semi-perimeter A plus B plus C by 2 or A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So delta is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the area formula. Now quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A polygon enclosed by four line segments. So this is a quadrilateral. So we are having different types of quadrilateral. First we'll discuss about square. Square, all sides are equal and area is A into A or perimeter is 4A. Each angle is 90 degrees and sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. In a square, diagonals are also equal. Length of diagonal is A root 2. Rectangle. Rectangle, we are having two lengths and two breadths. Lengths are equal. AB is equal to DC. And breadths are equal. BC is equal to AD. In this, diagonals are also equal. Each angle is 90 degrees. Sum of the angles of a rectangle is A plus B plus C plus D is 360 degrees. Sorry, it is 360 degrees. Length of the diagonal is under root L square plus B square. So A is equal to, and area of a rectangle is length into breadth, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Parallelogram. Parallelogram, area is A is equal to base into height. Height is perpendicular. Perimeter is 2 into AB plus BC. Diagonals bisect each other. AO is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360 degrees. In parallelogram, opposite vertices are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Rhombus. In rhombus, all sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Area formula is half into D1 into D2. Perimeter is nothing but 4A. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360 degrees. What is the difference between rhombus and a square? In a square, diagonals are equal, but in rhombus, diagonals are not equal. Trapezium. Trapezium, What is the area of trapezium is sum of the opposite sides a plus b into height. So half into a plus b into height. This is the area of trapezium. Friends, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.